Hello and welcome to Alpha Motors here in Wigan. My name's Dominic and today I'm excited to show you around this lovely example of a 2015 15 plate Land Rover Discovery SDV6 SE. Now I actually had the pleasure of taking this vehicle in part exchange. Came off a very nice gentleman who basically upgraded to the newer version. He bought the Discovery 5 off us. But the car was very well cared for, so you can tell it's been fastidiously kept in his ownership. So when the vehicle came to us, it basically looked the way it does here now today. If you flick through our photographs, you'll see I've photographed all of the service history, service receipts. This vehicle has been maintained regardless of cost, and I've had the chance to drive this for myself. I can tell you it's an absolute delight to drive. Now for the age, for the mileage, it's a lovely example. So coming through to the front bumper first, obviously you will find the odd few elements of wear, but the front bumper, it's not riddled with stone chips. Same goes for the bonnet, that's in nice order as well. We've got our lovely grey Discovery lettering, the grille's in nice order. Obviously daytime running lights, front parking sensors, and we've also got the headlamp wash. Coming through to the alloy wheels, we're riding on these lovely 20-inch multi-spoke alloys finished in a lovely sparkle silver, and all four wheels, tyres, they're in fantastic order. We've got mud flaps all around, we've got side steps on this one as well, so just giving it a really nice low stance. More of that lovely grey detailing on the side wings, SDV6 badges. Looking at the actual mirror caps, that's never had any scrapes. The grab handles are in nice order, and then looking within there as well, there's no sort of scratches from rings, bracelets. We've got privacy glass to the back, we've got the roof bars as well. Obviously these are a 7-seat model, so you've got the seats in the back, we've got the clamshell tailgate. But again, that's in nice order. So coming through to the back, we've got our parcel shelf there. Obviously the seats are nice and easy to put up. I'd probably say the seats have barely been sat in very light use. We've got our 12-volt power outlet, lots of storage in the back here as well. But as you can tell, the carpets are in nice order, so never had any hard use. No signs of any sort of spillages, rips, tears in the back of there. And then all the seats, they're nice and easy to operate, so they go up nice and easily, they come down just as easy as well. And then just looking down the side of the car, you'll struggle to find any sort of dents or dings. Now stepping through to the interior, inside is a lovely charcoal black cloth sports seat. So looking at the driver's seat, obviously this is where you tend to pick up most of your wear on the bolsters, but as you can tell, those are in nice order, no signs of any sort of rips or tears. The interior doesn't smell like it's ever been smoked in. We've got this lovely set of rubberized Land Rover mats. So we'll just turn the radio down. So we've got Land Rover original floor mats, those are a big option from the factory. The leather grab handle, again, nice order. So we've got our 4 electric windows with the child lock for the rear. We've got our electric mirrors as well. Jumping inside, closing the door. Lovely fit and finish inside. Looking at the steering wheel, no signs of any sort of large nicks. That's in nice order. None of the scripts on the buttons have started to rub away. So we've got our Bluetooth phone, voice command, you've got your cruise on there as well, automatic lights, automatic wipers as well, full onboard computer, and as we're doing this video today, this vehicle has covered 99,025 miles, which is absolutely nothing to one of these 3-litre diesels. Coming through to the centre display, we've got our full DAB radio, so we've got all the extended channels. Bluetooth phone is really nice and easy to operate, nice and easy to connect. You've got your CD player, you've got your inline aux as well, and then you've got your full menu for your clocks, audio settings and so on. Push button start, dual zone climate control, so the passenger can have a different climate to the driver. We've got our heated front screen, all the drive selects, so the all-terrain up there. We've got the suspension settings, hill descent, and then 2 power outlets, central wheel for your gearbox, electric parking brake, central cup holders, central armrest is in lovely order as well. Within there you've got quite a bit of storage. The seats have been fully shampooed inside, so we've just got a seat cover in there. So normally, preparation wise, we do a full machine polish outside. We fully shampoo the seats just to get everything looking as spick and span as we possibly can. Then quickly, I'll just show you through to the rear seats. So in the back, I'd probably say very light use again. So we've got those lovely rubberized floor mats, 3 seat belts. Obviously these are all on rails, so you can bring them back, you can bring them forward to give you more or less leg room. But again, nice order. So if you'd like anything further on this vehicle, if you like more images or you'd like to book a viewing, please do get in touch and we'll happily book you in. We are trying to work via appointments at the moment. I always recommend having a look at our reviews. So we are a 5-star dealer. We've got just over 500 5-star reviews from verified buyers. If you were to go through to our Facebook page, you'll see happy customers who've travelled the distance to collect their vehicles. You'll see the numerous awards that we've won over the years, and you'll also see the level of stock that we carry here at Alpha Motors. So again, thank you for watching the video. Anything further, there's myself, Dominic, there's my colleagues Graham and Lee. But thank you very much for watching, and we look forward to your inquiry.